Hello again to my channel, and with this new video today we'll get some information about AWK or awk command. Awk command is a scripting language used for manipulating and generating reports. Awk command is a utility that enables a programmer to write a tiny but effective programs. Awk it's shortcut for the name of the developers, Aho, Wamberger and Karangan. So there is a many operations that can awk do, such as scan file line by line, splits each input line into fields, comparing and perform actions. In this video, we'll get some information about the basic three function awk can do it. Default behavior of awk: printing the file, such as a cat command, print the lines which match with the given pattern, splitting lines into field. So, the first thing we will learn about it, how awk is work. Awk command splits the record or the file that's point to it by delimited with white space character by default and store it in the n variables. Where is n? It's a column. So the first thing, we have an file that will use it as test. This file, what contain? Let's see, cat awk test. You can find, we type some information about awk command. So the main function or the main output of the cat command will awk do it by typing awk print again for the same file. You can find, just print the file content. Just print the file content. The second function, it's a match line that print the line that which match with the given pattern. Let's see, we want to find about is print, sorry for that, it's like this. Okay, with this file now we'll print each line that has is. Let's check. We have here is, here is, here is, here is, here is. So the awk, by using the print command, can search the pattern you need and print the line with the matched pattern. The third thing and the last part in this video, we'll talk about how awk splitting the fields. Let's here using awk command to print just let's take to just first column. Here you can find with the awk print command or cat, the first column have awk, the, and numeric awk in is. Let's see if we'll print it. Sorry, you can find this. It's printing the first word from the column. Let's see, we want the column, the second column. You can find. Let's see, we want the column 2 and column 3. You can find. So there is no spaces. If we want, sorry, by mistake, you can find this. If you want to print from column 2 to column 6, you can type this, column 2, column 6. So there is a many operation can do by $sign with the print in awk. So The main function is awk splitting a line into fields. So each line splitting into columns. Each column have a number. So the first column with number $1, $2 for the second number, and there is. So in this video, we talk about the awk operations and the main awk behaviors or main awk functions can do it.